Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to install the Nuvio app to your Samsung Tizen TV. So first we need to go to Nuvio.tv website and then go to Smart TV tab and then just click the Tizen package. Then here, we need to download since we have Windows version, so we need to download this uh, Web TV Installer Windows. This is the only we need. So we don't need the WGT anymore. So this is the only we need, the Web TV application to install the Nubio app to your smart TV. So we need to remember this IP address. This is my PC IP address. And hold on and go to your TV. Make sure your TV and PC was the same network connected. Then okay, go to network. Then we're looking the TV IP address. So go to setting. I think this one, network status, and then go to IP address, IP setting. Sorry. So that's it. This is our TV IP address. Okay, just remember it. That 5.183. Then we need to go to application first. Then scroll down. And this one, app setting. Next, we need to press the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on your remote. Then you can go to developer mode. Make sure it is turned on. And then, okay, that's it. Just type your IP address. This is the PC IP address. So press OK. And then just hold on the remote about 2 seconds, 2 to 5 seconds. Reboot the TV. Okay, next, go to Nuvio Web Installer. Then right here, we need to type the TV IP address. So that's 168.5.183. That's it. Click install. Okay, you just need to wait 2 seconds. And then wait for the pop out to your browser like this. Then if you don't have Samsung account, just create one. So mine, I already have one. So I just sign in my account. And then as you can see, it's authorized. Then go back to your Nuvio Web Installer. And just wait 2 seconds until completed. So now it's the operation is completed. We're done here. Now go to your TV again. So you may see the Nuvio application here. It's already installed, but we need to do one more thing. Just go to app setting, then add to home for easy access. This is just a shortcut, right? Then this is go to app setting again, and then just press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then change it to 127.0.0.1, which is localhost IP address. That just don't forget it, because we need to do this to make the Nubio working. Okay, just reboot the TV again. Then that's it. The Nubio is now working and connected. So you just need to sign in your own account here. And I'm sorry I can show you inside. So that's it. I hope you like my video, and thank you for watching, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.